You're kind of left one right now.
Go to the big one.
Yeah, big one. So one right now, then one at the end.
No, just that one.
Yeah, big one.
God damn it.
Light it right there.
Right here?
In the middle. Right here in the middle of the base.
Okay, right in the middle.
Let's do it again.
Hey guys, get ready to run.
Hey, you stay back to the man. Oh, yeah. Back up.
Fuck. Shit.
Run. Run.
Ah.
Almost shot that guy.
Oh. Fuck it. Tilt it over. Oh, goddamn. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Oh. Jesus.
Hey, we need smoke, Anthony. Hey, watch it down. Wait, was our own mortar?
Everyone okay?
And it fell sideways. Oh my Jesus.
Holy shit.
You can commit suicide? No, no.
Shit, I did not expect that to happen.
For fire.
Yeah.
Hey, boy, stop, fire.
Ceasefire.
Fire, sir. Ceasefire.
It's on a
Fuck.
I'll tell them that
Alright, I think we're good.
It's fucking hurt.
They'll hit you?
Yeah.
Where?
I got hit by a spark.
Like an actual mortar or spark?
Yeah, dude, it like blew up right. It got me. I just got sparked, but I'm used to it.
I didn't know. I saw it blow up on your backpack, dude.